Hi, we're here in Alki Beach, West Seattle, and the atmosphere here is decidedly summer, even though it's April, mid-April. And this is a natural restoration area. They're letting natural plants grow here that should be beach plants. And they've got some logs on the beach, and they try to keep it natural looking. There's beach volleyball going on, there's fruit stands, there's the Olympic mountain range, and I can see the Cascade Range in the other direction. Just beautiful here. So beautiful. And so like a beach. It's a real beach.